Have you embraced whipped feta yet? Today's the day. What I love about this viral sensation is you can use it as a canvas to add whatever flavors you like. Of course, it starts with feta and then it turns into this creamy, luscious dip that can be a base for countless flavors. You want to use a good creamy feta, so a higher quality feta is going to work better for this dip. About 8 ounces. And then to add to the creaminess, I'm using some Greek yogurt, just about a 1/4 cup. And with 1 garlic clove, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a couple tablespoons of some extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil will balance out the acidity from the lemon juice and the tanginess from that Greek yogurt. The flavor profile I'm choosing is similar to an herby like tzatziki dip. You really can't over mix it at this point. You want that really whipped texture, so you want it to be nice and smooth, and you want to get some of that air fluffed up in there. And when you're almost there, that's when you want to throw in the fresh herbs. I'm using some fresh mint and basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. A few more seconds, and we're good to go. So beautiful, so creamy. This can be enjoyed as is on top of grilled lamb or steak, but I'm gonna put this in the serving dish, and then if you let it refrigerate for at least an hour, it'll come together, firm up a little bit, and then serve it up for the party. Here it is in all her glory. The whipped feta, as it's refrigerated, has set up a little bit and thickened. You could serve it like this, but most of the time we gotta zhuzh it up on the top. I'm gonna do a little drizzle of some EVOO and some more of those fresh herbs that are in there. I've got just some pretty basil leaves. I'm gonna zest a little lemon on top, and then just to kick it up a little bit, a little sprinkle of crushed red pepper. Such a simple and delicious way to start a party. I love dipping some fresh veggies in there. It's just like a Greek salad in one bite. There are so many fresh flavors that just come right at you with that lemon and those fresh herbs. It's the perfect complement to that briny feta. It's tangy, it's creamy, it is the perfect thing to create that perfect bite. You should definitely give this recipe a try, and when you do, don't forget to tag me. This is the great way to start any party. It's impressive for friends, and it'll be a great complement to your next charcuterie board. I'm telling you, when it comes to feta, whip it and whip it good. Whipped feta, take 3.
Well, let me keep it. Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me.